Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today guys. I hope everybody's okay. Hope everybody is well. I want to say a big shout out to all of my people them watching my videos them. And if you're watching the videos guys, please hit that notification. Please like and subscribe. Okay, so in Selvin Kitchen today guys, we have another awesome delicious recipe for you guys. Yes my beautiful people, so in Selvin Kitchen today guys, we're going to look at an awesome delicious recipe. We're going to look at a chicken breast and Calaloo. Calaloo is a form of vegetable like spinach. So here we have half a kilogram of chicken breast. I already washed them already. We have 1 bundle of Calaloo. We're going to clean up already. I cleaned up some already and I froze them, those ones. So I'm going to use the frozen one instead of this one. We're going to show you guys how we clean it up. So we have half of orange bell pepper. We have 3 cloves of garlic. We have a pinch of salt. We have half a teaspoon of chicken season. We have a teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have 1 medium-sized white onion. We have a piece of thyme. We have a stalk of spring onion. We're going to use a pinch of pepper. And we're going to use some good 100% olive oil. So stay tuned for this awesome, delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen, guys. So over here, guys, this is the Calaloo. What we're going to do, guys, is cut off the bottom of the Calaloo like that. And then we're just going to strip it down. We're going to take off the first skin off of that Calaloo. Okay, if you don't take off the first skin off of that Calaloo, when it cook, it's gonna be hard to cook and it ain't gonna taste so nice. So we'll just strip it down. Take off the first skin off of that Calaloo. Calaloo is a very healthy, delicious, nearly kind of like spinach, guy. If you guys have spinach before, and then we're gonna slice it down like that. Because we're gonna cut it up, and then we're gonna wash it, and then we're gonna cook it. So we cut it up quite small, like that, my beautiful people. If you guys never have Calaloo before, please drop me a comment. If you guys have Calaloo before, still drop me a comment. Let me know you like it or you prefer Calaloo different from spinach. You can look up a Calaloo with saltfish. You can steam the Calaloo different like that. Like today now, I'm gonna do my Calaloo with some chicken breast. So I'm gonna fry the chicken breast dry, and then I'm gonna cook down, steam my Calaloo, and then I'm gonna add my chicken breast with my Calaloo, and then I'm gonna serve that with some white rice. So this is Calaloo. That's how you cut up the Calaloo, my beautiful people. I'm gonna use the frozen Calaloo because I already cut up this one, I already washed it already, and I put it in the freezer and I freeze it. So I'm just gonna use this one, and then I'm gonna cut up this one later on and wash this one and put this one back in the freezer. Okay, so if you buy Calaloo and you buy enough Calaloo, you don't want to cook it now, put it in the freezer, my beautiful people. So yes, my beautiful people, so we have the chicken breast here. What we're going to do now, we're just going to cut up the chicken breast. So we ain't going to cut up our chicken breast too big or too small, just a bite size like that. We're going to cut up our chicken breast. So we just cut the chicken breast just like that, my beautiful people. Because this chicken breast is going to be seasoning, this chicken breast is going to be brown off. So we'll just get that one away. We're going to cut up another chicken breast. So we just cut them in a bite size just like that. If you want to fry them dry like whole like that, it's up to you guys, but I just cut them in some bite size. All-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, some pepper, salt, we're gonna add a pinch of olive oil. Now we're gonna get our hand in, guys. We're gonna season up this chicken breast. Remember, we look after chicken breast, guys, so chicken breast don't take a lot of seasoning, and chicken breast is very easy to look after. We'll just rub all of that seasoning in that chicken breast to combine with everything. Then after, we're just going to brown it off. So yes, my beautiful people, so I just put on this frying pan. I'm using a big frying pan today. I'm just going to add in some olive oil to brown off that chicken breast. Let that oil hot first before I put in my chicken breast. So yes, my beautiful people, so what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add in the chicken breast. It's gonna brown off this chicken breast. Gonna add in all of it one time and spread it out. Then I'm gonna turn up the stove. So I just want to spread it out. So yes, my beautiful people, they're in the pot for the last 2 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now, just gonna turn them around like that. Remember guys, this chicken breast to look out for, guys. It's nothing too hard like you're frying a chicken leg or a piece of beef or a piece of lamb. Chicken breast, not take too hard to look after, but I'm just gonna brown them off a bit. Then after, I'm just gonna throw them out. I'm gonna add in my onion, my garlic, my bell pepper. Then I add in my Calaloo. Then later on, I put in my chicken breast. Beautiful recipe, guys. Please give me a thumbs up and please like the video, guys. Yes, my beautiful people. So my chicken breast been burning off nicely. Cause you know that, guys. Back home we used to look up a Calaloo and chicken, Calaloo and pork. We fry it down crispy, fry it down dry. So that's why I'm doing with the chicken breast right now. Beautiful, nice, crispy chicken breast. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna take it out now, throw it in a bowl, add in my onion, my bell pepper, add in my Calaloo. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, awesome, crispy chicken breast. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna take out all the chicken breast, put it into this bowl here. You're gonna use the same pot. I ain't gonna wash out this pot. Gonna use it with the same little pot of chicken in it. We put in my onion and everything like that. Guys, please try this recipe, guys, and tell me how this recipe turned out. So what I'm doing now, people, I'm just gonna add a little bit more olive oil in it. Onion. Bell pepper. Piece of thyme. Spring onion. I'm gonna give that a nice stir. So this is the frozen Calaloo, guys. I already cut them up already and I would have washed them and I put them in the freezer. So this is the frozen Calaloo is going in now. I'm gonna scrape out all of that. Give it a nice stir. You want to stir in all of that onion, that garlic, that bell pepper, everything to combine with that Calaloo. I ain't gonna put the lid on it as yet because it's a frozen Calaloo. Saving excess water. We don't want no water into it. Wow, you can smell that flavor with that Calaloo rising up already. We're gonna add in some all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna add in some pepper. We're gonna add in some salt. And we're gonna add in a piece of butter in that, guys. Yes, my beautiful people, so the Calaloo been steaming for the last 4 minutes, guys. So now what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add in back the chicken breast. Wow, look at that, my beautiful people. I just want to scrape all of that excess oil out. Then give it a nice mix with that Calaloo, that chicken breast, everything to combine with each other. Oh Lord, look at that, guys. Wow. So we're gonna give that in 2 minutes. We're gonna put the lid on it Gonna reduce the heat, the fire on that pot. Let that callaloo to combine the flavor of that callaloo to soak into that chicken breast. So we're just gonna give that 2 minutes.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Please like the video before you go. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe before you go. And please check out my channel for the rest of the awesome, delicious recipe. I have over 200 recipes there, guys. Please check it out. And please share and like the video with your friends and family. Anybody want to be a patron, I'm gonna drop the link. Selvin Kitchen. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. A lot of love from Selvin Kitchen. Take care, guys.